Okay guys, so we're on SpyZon version 4.21. Let me show you the cool new features. We're going to go through this pretty quickly. Of course, you can pause the video. So click the link below this video in the description wherever and install the extension. Or go to spyzon.xyz, look in the address bar here. We're going to go ahead and click that. We're going to be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, which is right here. Then you're going to click Add to Chrome, and you're going to need to add the extension, approve these permissions. So we click that. Up in the top here, it's going to pop in there. There it is. Click the puzzle piece icon, go down to SpyZon, click the pin button. Now that puts SpyZon in the top, so it'll always be available to you. Go ahead and open that up. Now the new feature is we have navigation links for you, so it'll make your life so much easier. So when you open SpyZon, you'll have a link to your stats page on Amazon. We have training, so that's where you're going to find more videos on SpyZon. There's your store. There's a link to Creator Hub, so if you want to upload videos, you can do that. We have a link to the Amazon University, so that's for the new people. If you want to do your training, there's a direct link there. Settings, these are the settings for the SpyZon app, and we're going to show you, or the SpyZon extension. I'm going to show you that in a second. And then, of course, two links to the Facebook group. So this is the influencer group, and then the shoppable group where you can meet sellers and get paid to review free products. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to settings, and here you're going to pick display table on Amazon product page, and I'm going to show you what that does. Click save. If you don't click save, it won't work. And we're going to go to a product page. So this is a product that I've actually reviewed. We're going to click refresh, and you're going to see a table that pops up here on the very top. Take a look. You can see here it's getting product data, so it's building the table. And this table will be on every product page. You can turn that off by changing the setting. Now, take a look, there's a green dot. That means that my review is on this page, and it's actually in the top video carousel. That's what green means. Red means that my video is not in the bottom carousel. So if we take a look at the top carousel, which is the top videos right here, let's take a look. Now that the page is loaded, you can see that my video is number 2 right here. That video has been detected by SpyZon. Now, that's why there's the green dot. So that's the coolest feature. Now, we've also added a couple cool things here. We've added the reviews. So now we show you the review velocity. So these are the last 10 reviews for this product. Now you can see that the first one's a 4-star, then there's a 5-star, 4-star, 1-star. So you can use this as a way to gauge the popularity of the product and if it's selling. And of course, there are the dates. So you can see that the dates are very sporadic. So this might be a product you probably wouldn't buy. But anyway, so that is the table. Now, if you wanted to find related products, now on every Amazon product page, there's about 50 other recommended products that Amazon puts on there. Okay, so you've got all these different down here. See all of these different tables? All these tables here are recommended tables, or recommended products. So what we can do is by clicking on Amazon, go up to the related products. See where my cursor is? Click related products. SpyZon is going to grab all of those products from this page, and it's going to sort them by review count. So now you might be able to find other cool products to buy and review. So this is a great way to do product research. Now you'll notice that there's a lot of zeros. Now the TV is total videos, MV is merchant video, IV is influencer video, and then your videos. Now you'll see that they're all red dots. That means that I do not have a review on any of these products. But notice they're all zeros. Now that's a setting. So let me show you how to set that up. What you want to do is click the settings tab up here, and you're going to click or turn this on, auto fetch related products. Click save. Okay. Now let's go back to the home page. Here we go. Now what you're going to do is click related products, and SpyZon is going to look at all of the videos for each one of these products. Just give it a few minutes, or not a few minutes, probably about 30, 40 seconds. Let's see. So you can see here that there's 5 total videos for this product, and one of them is a merchant video, and there's 4 other influencers there. So anything less than 6 is probably a good candidate to review. So I would probably go take a look at this product and see if I wanted to review it, but that would be a good candidate. This one here that says 6 total videos and 6 of them are merchant videos, I wouldn't review that because there's 0 influencers on there. This one here has 5 influencers, so you could probably be the 6th. So that might be a good product to look at. But anyway, so that's one way to do product research with SpyZon, and we'll dig more into that later. Anytime you're on a product page, if you do not have this table enabled, you open the extension on a product page, it'll give you that same data, but here in the extension. That way you can manually check each product and you're not slowing your browser down. And you can see here in the top 6 carousel, I do have a green dot. That means my video is in the top carousel. You can see that there are 6 total videos. There's 1 merchant video and there's 5 influencer videos in that top carousel. Then the bottom, you can see that there are 5 total videos in that carousel. 2 of them are influencer videos. I'm assuming the rest of the videos are probably customer reviews. And then of course there's a red dot. That means I do not have a video in that bottom carousel. So that'll help you. And then of course, here are the reviews. Here are the last 10 reviews for this product by date and by rating. So this way you can check out review velocity. So if you go to a super popular product, like let me show you one. So if we take a look at this Anchor battery and we open up the extension on it, take a look at the reviews. Look at this. You have August 3rd, 2nd. So look how many they're selling. I mean, this product sells fast. So anyways, that gives you a way to gauge the popularity of the product, and you can see that the review velocity is fast. So they're getting tons of reviews, tons of product moving. Then of course you have your bestseller, your BSRs. You can click those and then you can drill into those categories. So if we just click this, it'll bring us to that category for this product, and then you can find and do your own product research there. So that all is possible with SpiesOn. Now, when you open the extension, there's training. That's what that little cap is up here. That'll take you to a page where I post videos on more training with SpiesOn. Now, if you click on the camera, this is a pro feature. Of course, you need to pay for it, but there will be a separate video for the pro feature and how it works. Also, part of the pro feature is you get invited to a insider group. So that's where you can be with other SpiesOn users, pro users, and there's a higher level of discussion there. So you can network and talk to people like me and people who are actually doing pretty well with the program. So that's included in the pro version. Of course, you can click the upgrade now button if you want. But anyways, that's SpiesOn in a nutshell. I'll see you guys in the next video.